There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick, easy hair tutorial for you guys. Right now I'm just taking my hair out. It's freshly washed. Literally, I washed it like 10 minutes before this, and I put some shea butter in it, which is why it looks so nice and black and shiny. Raw shea butter, guys, so I really recommend that. So right now I'm just parting my hair straight down the middle. I'm doing it myself, so I figured out after that I wasn't like super straight. Please don't judge me, but I was okay with it. So when you're doing it, just make sure that you go over it. If you see me talking a lot, it's because I was on the phone with my cousin. Pick up yourself, Ella. She was helping me with some projects. So now you just want to part the side of your hair. Not too big. You just want to put 2 side plaits, cornrows, short cornrows. Of course, I'm using my red wand, which I talked about in my last video. Definitely recommend. So right now I'm just going to prepare the rest of my hair for my 2 cornrows. So I'm putting red one all over it. Just putting it as much as I can get it to slick so it can stay in place, so I don't have any flyaways when I'm doing my feeding. Guys, also apologize for on my underarms. Like, my hair is just getting back, but the place is so cold, you kind of need them. But right now I'm just starting my plait. I'm just starting it by itself, and then I'm putting 1 plait piece in. Now, how I do the feed-ins, I'll try to explain it, but you guys might just have to watch it. So I'll show you guys for the next one. So you just put it over it, and you put it to your middle finger, the plait in the middle. You plait it down twice, and then you put it under. You put 1 in the middle, you plait it down, and then you feed in the other piece, and you go. I hope like you can see it and it kind of makes a little bit more sense. But all it really is you put the hair over on top, you put it in with your middle finger, you plait down, and then you take the other side and you put it under. Now trust me, learning to do feed-ins is gonna save your life and save your pocket. So if you are a college student who struggles like me, sis, this is a lifesaver, knowing how to do your own hair. So it might take a few tries depending on if it's your first time, but once you get a hang of it, it's gonna come pretty easy. I'm just putting red one on the tips of my fingers just to make sure that my hair stays down. Oh yes, and by the way guys, I am using a natural kinky braid instead of expressions, because I just felt it'll blend my hair better. Now as you see, I'm just adding more and more as I go along, just to get that nice little gradient. For those of you who like big hair, like, you can definitely stop here and have like the ends out, but I just wanted 2 plaits going straight down, so I just continue with it. Right now I'm just adding some more red one and just patting it down. And you just do the same thing on the other side. So right now I'm just gonna do my edges. I feel that baby hairs make a look. Guys, I'm gonna put some mousse on it. I love this got to be mousse. It makes my hair so shiny and it holds it in place. It takes this hairstyle to a different level. So I'm just gonna cover my hair and I'm gonna soak my ends in some hot water and come back. Look at the sheen, sis. I'm telling you. So I'm taking my towel, it's with some hot water on it, and I'm just pressing it down on the braids. Well, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.